Welcome to this tutorial for copying CSS changes into Magellan and Honeycomb. This video is part of a series that shows you how to update Magellan and Honeycomb's look and feel. The first part of this video assumes you've updated your CSS files by using your browser developer console, like we showed you in earlier videos. But these steps are relevant regardless of how you make your CSS changes. The most important thing to remember is which files you need to paste your CSS changes into, and then where you need to upload that file to. The developer console, click More Tools, Changes. On the left, you'll see every CSS file you've made changes to. On the right, you'll see the actual changes. Select a file, click Copy All Changes, then go to Sources and locate themes.css. You can see I do this by clicking one of my changes on the Changes menu, right-clicking the name of the CSS file that took me to, and selecting Reveal in Sidebar. Paste your changes into themes.css. The paste function isn't perfect, so you'll likely need to tidy up the CSS. Typically, you'll either need to add a selector to the start of some rules, or a closed curly bracket to the end. You'll also see some copied changes that you didn't make, but with just your browser tidying up some syntax. You can keep or remove these, it won't make a difference to your setup. Repeat these steps for each CSS file that has changes. I've made changes to 3 files, so I need to repeat these steps 3 times. When you're done, check your CSS changes against Honeycomb, then right-click your themes.css file and select Save As. Download your changes to your computer. You can see here I double-check my changes one more time by refreshing the page to clear my CSS changes, then copying and pasting the contents of the file I just downloaded back into themes.css on the Sources tab. Honeycomb changes as I expect, so I've done everything correctly. To export the CSS changes you've made to Magellan, follow the same steps as Honeycomb, with one minor difference. When you first open the Changes tab, select contentstyles.css. Click Any Change, which will open that file in the Sources pane. Download contentstyles.css. You shouldn't need to make any changes to it. From there, follow the same steps as Honeycomb. Copy every other file's changes into themestyles.css, then download it. You'll need an updated content styles and theme styles file for the next set of steps. Open Author at Cloud and go to Files. Open your Honeycomb Templates folder. You can see the file path in the video. Then open hvsource CSS. Upload the modified themes file you created earlier, then publish your Honeycomb course to see if your changes were successful. If you're using Author at on-premises, perform these same steps wherever your Honeycomb template files are located. Open Author at Cloud, go to Files, then open your Magellan Templates folder. You can see the default file path in the video. Select the Magellan theme you want to modify, then open its CSS folder. You could also create a new Magellan theme folder while you're here. Upload the modified theme styles and content styles CSS files you created earlier, then publish your Magellan website to see if your changes are successful. If you created a new theme, you'll also need to add that theme as an option for Author's theme variable. Check out our Knowledge Center for more information. If you're using Author at on-premises, perform these same steps wherever your Magellan template themes are located. That's the end of this video. If you'd like more information, such as how to make specific CSS changes or other changes to Magellan and Honeycomb setup, check out our other videos and our Knowledge Center.